everyone, it's Desiree, and yep, it's another Spellbinders, and today we are going to focus on the 3D embossing folder. I am loving 3D embossing folders. And you can see how long this video is. I did not speed this up like I normally do. It is sped up, but just twice the time. So this film is 4 minutes. This is how long, now double that, 8 minutes, and this is what it took me to make this card. I followed the sandwich on my platform for the platinum, for the Spellbinders platinum systems. And all I'm doing, I chose a dusty blue. This is, I believe, cloudy blue. And I'm just adding white pigment ink on top of that. And look at that. This will dry back a little bit. That's why I kept on going with the ink. Now, once it's dry, you can put on another layer. But you don't have to. It's very soft. I'm putting that down on my standard A2 size card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I'm using a sentiment from the wonderful script Sentiments by Yana Smakula. This is from her Anemone Blooms collection that recently came out. I love these sentiments. I love how dainty they are. And how beautiful the script is. Now, this 3D embossing folder is called Spring Burst. I'm going to place, I cut the sentiment itself out of some champagne cardstock, and I die cut the background from a white cardstock 2 times, just to give it a little bit of dimension. Just looking for that place to put my sentiment, because I just don't want it to hide any of that dimension from the embossing folder. I finally figured out my spot, and I'm going to set that. Just make sure it's as straight as we can go. And then I'm going to add some gems. Now, these are by Spellbinders, of course. They're called Color Essential Gems. They are self-adhesive, but I do like to put a little bit of glue down just in case. These are very fiddly as well. I try to, the larger ones I can pick up with because I have my nails. But the smaller ones I do like to use a pick. These are called Sapphire AB, and there's 108 in each of these packets that they have. They have many many colors, and you always get the 4 different sizes for each of the gem colors. Just getting those set in place in the center of the flowers, the ones that are open. And that is our card. I mean, you can have a beautiful card in absolutely no time with these with embossing folders. Again, I think they're like brads. I think while they are coming back, which I think is great, they got lost in the wonders of art and card making, but I'm so glad that they are coming back. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. As always, the products that I use will be listed down below, along with a link to their blog. For more inspiration, which is their gallery, and also their shop. I will also have the links to the club that I used today, and also all the other clubs that you can check them out. They always have some great deals when it comes to their bundles. If you have any questions, make sure you leave those down below as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up. I'd love to have you here just to try new things. Have fun with paper, but most of all, remember what is most important to me. Remember, always be creative, guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Till then.